Anna should be out by now. Anna. She is usually early. Anna? Not here. Okay, maybe she went inside. Excuse me, have you seen Anna Watson?
Anna? Brown hair, quiet girl?
Yes, that's her.
I think I saw her near the music room earlier.
Thank you. I'll check there.
Of course.
Anna? Sweetheart, it's Mom. There you are. I was looking everywhere for you.
Mom.
Why are you hiding here? It's okay. You don't have to talk right away.
I didn't want anyone to see me
See you do what?
cry.
You can cry with me.
There is a school show next week.
Yes? You told me a little about it.
It's a big one. Parents will come, teachers will watch.
I remember. You were excited.
I was excited before today.
What happened today?
Ms. Miller chose me first. She said I would be the main performer.
That's wonderful, Anna. You worked hard for that.
But today, she changed her mind.
Changed her mind how?
She chose Chloe instead.
Did she explain why?
She said Chloe is louder, more confident on stage.
And how did that make you feel?
Like I disappeared.
I'm sorry. That hurts.
Chloe said I'm too quiet. She said people will get bored.
That was not kind. And it was not fair.
And Lily, she didn't talk to me today.
Lily? Your best friend?
She sat with Chloe. She laughed with her.
Did Lily say anything to you?
No, she just looked away.
That hurts even more.
I didn't want to go home like this.
I'm glad you stayed somewhere safe. Come here. We can talk more at home. No rush.
Okay.
Dad, look! It's taller than yesterday.
That makes it more dangerous.
Danger makes it cool.
That's not how buildings work.
No!
Physics wins again. Hey, how was school?
Dinner will be ready soon.
I'm not hungry.
Did she lose her blocks too?
What happened?
There's a school show. Anna lost her main part.
That's rough.
Who took it?
A girl named Chloe.
I don't like that name.
She's not bad, just very confident.
I'm confident too.
Yes, extremely.
Anna, can I come in?
Okay.
You didn't eat.
I wasn't hungry.
That's okay. Anna, what are you afraid of right now?
What if Chloe is right?
About what?
What if I'm too quiet to be on stage?
Quiet doesn't mean weak.
But the stage is loud.
And courage can be quiet too.
Really?
Yes, quiet courage is still courage.
I want another chance.
Then we will find one.
What if they say no?
Then we try again. Or we try a different way.
Okay.
Do you think Mom has a secret plan?
Your mom always has a plan.
A big one?
Probably bigger than your block tower.
Tomorrow will be hard, but you won't be alone.
Mom,
Yes?
thank you for finding me today.
I will always find you.
Did you sleep better last night?
A little.
That's good. Today doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
Mom, what if I freeze again?
Then we breathe and we try again.
What if everyone watches me?
They will, and that's okay.
I don't want to disappear.
You won't. I'll be right here when school ends.
I know. Mom,
Yes?
thank you for yesterday.
Anytime.
Hi, Lily. Oh, hi. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. I didn't see you yesterday. I had practice. With Chloe? Yes. Okay. Anna, wait. I didn't want to hurt you. It did hurt. I know. We should go.
Good morning, everyone. Let's focus today.
I'm ready.
Everyone will have time to practice.
Let's warm up first.
I step into the light. I hear the music start. Everyone is watching me. I feel I'm standing in the dark. My hands are shaking slow. I hear 1,000 nights, but I still.
Miss Miller, can I practice my part again after lunch?
We'll see, Chloe.
Miss Miller?
Yes, Anna?
I know Chloe is very strong on stage, and I know I'm quieter, but I would like one chance to show what I can do.
That sounds reasonable.
The show needs energy. I have energy too. It's just different.
All right. Anna, you can practice after school today. Just you and Mr. Reed.
Really?
Yes, one chance.
Thank you, Miss Miller. You were brave in there. I was scared. I know. Chloe scares me too sometimes. Then why did you choose her? Because I didn't want to lose. Lose what? A place on stage. I didn't want to lose you. I'm sorry. Can I help you practice? You want to? Yes, I want to be on your side again. Okay.
Take your time. No rush.
I don't know where to start.
Start by breathing. Now move the way the music feels.
It's not good.
It's honest. That's a good start.
Not yet.
Was it bad?
No, you tell a story when you move. That's rare.
I do?
Yes, you just need confidence.
That turn was good. That face was very dramatic.
Thank you, Peter.
We have a professional here.
I know talent.
You helped me once. Now it's your turn.
Mom, what's that?
Something special.
Can I open it?
Not yet,
Why not?
because tomorrow you need courage first.
Okay.
Is it magic?
Not exactly.
That usually means yes.
Tomorrow is my chance.
And you're ready.
There are so many people. I know.
Are you okay?
I'm scared, but I don't want to hide.
That's brave.
I've got this.
Everyone, 5 minutes.
5 minutes feels very short.
Or very long.
I can see the stage really well.
Try not to shout.
I will try.
She looks nervous.
She also looks ready.
Mom was right. Everyone is watching.
Look at me, not them.
You're not alone.
The first act will be Chloe's performance.
I step into the light. I hear the music start. Everyone is watching me. I feel it in my heart. I trained so long for this. I won't look away. This is my moment now. I'm ready to stay. I stand tall. I don't fall. I'm not afraid at all. I hear my name. I play the game. Wow.
She's very good.
She's really strong.
Yes, she is.
Good luck. Thank you. She was amazing.
She was, but your turn is different.
Different isn't always enough.
Hey,
Mom, what if I forget everything?
then you breathe and you start again.
What if I'm not as good?
You are not here to be Chloe
Then why am I here?
because you are Anna.
Is that...
Open it.
Mom, it's beautiful. It looks like it's glowing. It feels alive.
This dress doesn't shine by itself. It shines when you move.
Whose dress is it?
It was mine when I was your age.
You wore this?
I was scared too, and this dress reminded me that I could move anyway.
Thank you.
Go tell your story.
I will.
Next up is Anna's performance.
I'm standing in the dark. My hands are shaking slow. I hear 1,000 lights, but I still feel alone. I take a breath, I close my eyes. I feel the music start inside. I shine when I move. I shine when I try. I don't need to be loud to reach the sky. I find my light. I'm not the strongest one. I'm not
Mom,
the fastest
look.
too. But every step I take feels honest, feels true. I shine when I move. I shine when I try. I don't need to be loud to reach the sky. I find my light when I move.
That's my sister.
Sit, clap.
Thank you, everyone. Both performances were beautiful. Chloe, you showed great strength and confidence. Anna, you told a story. You showed courage.
And that matters.
The first prize goes to Anna.
You did it!
Well done.
Thank you. You were really good.
So were you.
Anna, you're famous.
Not famous, just happy.
Everyone in.
Mom, is the dress lucky?
No,
Then why did it help me so much?
because you moved. And when you moved, you believed.
Who gave you the dress?
Who do you think?
No way!
Yes way. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Every small step, every quiet moment can help you shine. See you in the next episode.